Hey everyone, I am going to try the About Face New Press Powder. And this is what it looks like in the container. And the shade that I pick is Partition. I'm taking it out of the container. It comes in a container like this with About Face written on it and then the shade. The container looks like this. Cute. And the shade is right here. I'm going to use this powder all over my face. The only thing I have is my moisturizer and my primer. This is what it looks like. And the cover is flush with the whole container. So you open this way. It opens the same way as the Huda Beauty, as far as I can see. And it is sealed. I'm taking the seal off. And that's the shade, the powder right there. I'm going to use this clean powder puff. Here's the powder puff. I already have a little bit on it, but I need more because I'm going to use it all over my face. Let's see if it blurs. You're going to tell me if it blurs. It also has the powder that's on top. There is like a little sifter underneath it. That's just additional powder on top of the sifter, but it does have a sifter. Now let's see how this powder works. I want you to see exactly what the powder looks like on my skin, and if it blurs my skin, my pores, and how it looks. It says the curtain call, set and smooth loose powder. I now have the About Face setting powder on. This is what it looks like. I swatch it on my arm and on the back of my hand. This is what it looks like. This is the shade. This is the sifter. This is the cover. This is the puff. This is what my face looked like after I put the setting powder. That's all I have on. Setting powder. Other than my primer and my moisturizer, I just put the setting powder everywhere so you can see what it looks like. I didn't want to put it on top of foundation or anything. Just by itself so you see what that shade looks like on me in case you are close to my skin tone or not. So this is what Partition looks like. This is what Partition looks like on me. I appreciate you watching. Please remember to share this video with someone else. And remember, until I see you and you see me, stay away from trouble. Stay away from trouble. Today's I am is I will do my best to stay healthy. I will do my best to stay healthy. You will do your best to stay healthy. Bye.